Hello guys, I'm Behnam from Behnam Tech YouTube channel, and on this video you're going to learn what is digit method on Python strings. This method check and if everything on the string is made from a number on that time will be returned true, and any other things like alphabet, special characters, signs, make the result false. Let's go for examples. For imagine you have an strings and not made from numbers, and when we return this, we get true because everything is made from number. So we get true. If we just add an alphabet O, the result will be changed to false. If we change that to special characters, the result will be false. If we change it to an operation, additional operation, the result will be false. So everything that is not a number will be change the result to false. The important part here is that decimal numbers, for example, this number are not acceptable and will be returned false. So just numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you like, please subscribe my channel and feel free to like this video. Goodbye.